All right, folks, Wayne Pinnock gave Jamaica a silver Olympic medal on Independence Day in the long jump event at Paris 2024. This is 28 years after James Beckford won silver in the same event. Wayne joins us via Zoom as we celebrate with him on his medal-winning moment. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Smile. How are you?
Morning. I'm good.
It is fantastic to have you with us. Let me ask you quickly, because you got the silver medal at the World Championship last year, and every time I say Olympics and World Championship, people say Olympics, and I say I would prefer to be the best in the world. Olympics just sound like it's not everybody is there. Which one means more? Which one means more?
Honestly, I would say the Olympics.
Why?
For sure.
Why?
Honestly, so, World Championship is every 2 years, Olympics is every 4 years, so I would say the Olympic.
And congrats again. Why the long jump in the first place? Where did this start?
Honestly, it started, in primary school, Clancarthy Primary. Then, because at the primary level, I, also broke the long jump record there, then went to Kingston College after, and then also currently now, held the long jump record. So, it's been going, and then I took it over to the college level. And then, since then, everything just been going good. And then, professionally right now, and, it's just, words can't explain the feeling. So just forever grateful that, God gave me the opportunity to, become an Olympian and become an Olympic silver medalist.
And to write your name in history. So you won the NCAA indoor, but you joined James Beckford as Olympic Games long jump silver medalist after Beckford was second at the Games in Atlanta in '96. How does it feel now to write your place in history, sir? History in the books for this event. That must be a different level.
Honestly, I would say, words really can't explain the feeling. I've been going through so much this season, but, I never let, that, take me out, because I know what, I was capable of. I prayed about everything. Many times, went to practice not feeling my best, but, I have the mindset of, being a champion, and never stress about anything, Let's pray about historical. I would say, like, I'm just thankful that, I'm in that position, to rewrite history, being the, second person in history to, have ever done that in so many years. So I would say, it's just a fantastic feeling.
To be second in the world is fantastic. To be second at the Olympic Games is fantastic. But we all enter competitions to win. Were you a little disappointed that you never got the gold? I know you're happy that you got the silver, don't get me wrong, and I'm happy too, but were you a little bit disappointed at the end of the day that you were beaten by what, about 10 centimeters, I think, 10 or 12 centimeters? Were you disappointed?
Probably. Honestly, I would say, despite everything I've been going through this season, honestly, I wasn't 100% confident, with myself. I wasn't feeling myself. I know me, and I wasn't feeling myself as much as possible. But, as I said, I go out there, I have faith, I have the Jamaican colors on. So, we got to put a show on. So, I went out there. That kid from Italy jumped 8:34 on his first attempt. And I was like, yeah, competition is real now. So, I never let, that bother me. And the Greek guy that jumped that 8:48.
Yeah.
So on my first attempt, I had jumped probably 7:84.
Yeah, you did.
And then I was like, I got to get this right. I got to get this right. And then, on my second attempt, my coach told me, wait on the wind gauge to go. Because we were just getting negative winds out there. and my coach be like, wait on the wind gauge to go positive. And as soon, I don't know, probably God just told me that, yo, as soon as it went positive, just run off. And I did that. Like, as soon as I saw that, I ran off. And, you know, I
The
take
rest
off.
is history.
I jumped
Wayne,
into history.
you said that you've mentioned twice now that there's a lot happening leading up to the games. You said you didn't feel yourself. I'm reading that you were plagued by injury. What else was happening? Well, first of all, let's talk about the injuries and how you got past that. But also, what was happening in your mind? When you say you weren't feeling yourself, what does that mean?
Honestly, you know, in May, the SEC championship, you know, I think I had like probably a grade 1, almost a grade 2 tear in my groin.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
Yep.
wow.
I had been for a little bit, and I was worried, you know, getting hurt at that time of the season.
Yeah.
But you know, I always tell myself that, you know, if you keep your mind positive, you know, have a positive mindset, I think your body heals faster. So just keeping myself positive, you know, not thinking about it too much, just you know, just always stay that way. And that's what I did. You know, I prayed like every night before I went to my bed. Like I prayed. So every night. So if today is the 8th of the month, you know, I'll read, you know, Proverbs 8, and then I just keep on reading it until, you know, going through the days of the month. And I'm telling you, like, words just can't explain the feeling. Like, you know, God gave me another chance to showcase my, you know, my talent, and, you know, like, I'm just forever grateful.
Yeah. What about being there? Because we're hearing about cardboard bed and the food no good and people sleeping in the park, and some people go to the road, go get food. What was that experience like for you, being there?
Honestly, the first week I got there, you know, I had to, you know, soak into the environment a little bit. It was a little bit like with the food, because we had to eat the same food like over and over and over and again. You know, I was kind of feeling a little bit bloated.
Which food over and over and over? What were you eating?
So like Asian type food. Like that was the only food they have that, you know, that was really good.
Like
you
what?
know,
Like what? Like what? Eggs or what?
like
No
chicken,
Yeah.
rice, noodles, eggs, all of that. And then, you know, like
But you didn't want some
like
ackee
the
and
same thing
saltfish.
every day. never have none of that at all.
Oh, man.
So, you know, like we just had that every day, and you know, I was just getting tired of that. And then the beds, man, the beds were tough. Like literally, I had to sleep on the ground for a couple of days because my back was hurting real bad. And you know, 'cause, you know, this my coach, you know, has a chiropractor that he's working with. So, you know, every time I feel in my body not feeling right, you know, I'll hit him up and then, you know, go and get some treatment. But I'm telling you, like, the experience there with those beds were really it was tough.
Which means you did even greater than we thought. Where the medal? Show me the medal, Bridget. Where the medal?
All right then.
Let's
So,
see it. Drum roll.
From Jamaica.
This is
The silver medalist.
Oh, that nice.
Yes, sir.
Is it heavy, Wayne? Is it heavy or is it light?
honestly, it is.
Is it heavy?
It is heavy.
All right. Got
Bridget,
it.
we have to go. We're so very proud of you. You made us proud. I'm certain you made your family and your school and your teachers and your
And
coach
yourself.
Yeah, we're very, very proud. And you've been winning gold medals from Carifta. You get gold in Panam, and you did brilliantly. Thank you on behalf of all of us.
Grateful nation.
What you did at the Olympic Games. God bless you.
Go look after your back now, sir. And sleep in a good bed.
All right. Long jump, silver medalist at the Olympic Games, Mr. Wayne Pinnock.
Put some respect on it.